Hi, I'm Jim Stevens from Softeon. In this week's Logistics Insights podcast, we'll discuss specifying voice and other technologies from the start with a new warehouse management system implementation. We'll be back to offer some insight on this interesting topic in just a few seconds.
This podcast is brought to you by Softeon, providing innovative solutions for warehouse management, warehouse execution, and distributed order management. Softeon, delivering supply chain success every time.
Here at Softeon, we review many WMS RFPs and participate in many scripted demos every year. Here's a fact. If a company is deploying a new WMS solution, unless they're already using voice or other picking technologies, such as pick-to-light or put walls, these types of technologies are almost never designed in from the start, even if there is a great interest in them down the road. The thought process, in some cases reinforced by consultants, seems to be just start with a very conventional warehouse, using just radio frequency or RF terminals, leaving other technologies for a phase 2 or beyond. But is that really the right approach? Voice systems, in order picking and other applications, have demonstrated their value for more than 2 decades, delivering productivity gains of 20% or more in many cases, due to the hands-free nature of the work with voice. Voice, pick-to-light, put walls, mobile robots, and more can deliver value starting day one for new WMS deployments. So why not consider designing them in from the beginning, rather than waiting for a phase 2 to realize the value, and perhaps, in the meantime, buying a number of RF terminals that later are not needed. In working with Softeon, that approach is made even easier because we offer our own native voice solution, plus direct management and control of smart carts, put walls, pick-to-light, mobile robots, and other systems, with no other software or integration required. This unique approach makes it easy to deploy these types of subsystems as a core part of the new WMS processes. We're not saying this approach is right for everybody, but it is certainly right for a lot more companies than embrace it today. In some cases, reducing the ROI of new WMS from being overly cautious with technologies new to them. The bottom line, if you have strong interest in certain technologies down the road, take a good look at whether they should be designed in and deployed from the start, so you realize the performance benefits right away and don't need to wait for a phase 2 that may never come for a variety of reasons. You can find out more about how Softeon manages these picking subsystems at Softeon.com. For Softeon, this is Jim Stevens. Thanks for listening.